When selecting fabric for your TraceShaper project, fabric with good body is key. Medium weight drapery fabrics are usually ideal because once the backing and lining are added, they hold their shape beautifully and provide a very clean, professional finish. Many of the medium weight drapery fabrics have embroidered finishes or stitching detail, and these can be absolutely beautiful, but be sure to look on the back to make sure that it stays very flat and smooth so the finished front remains smooth without buckling or puckering. This is about the heaviest weight I would recommend. Heavier upholstery fabrics can become really bulky looking and heavy on your window. Lighter weight drapery fabrics can also work beautifully. The key is adding a slightly heavier cotton lining to give them a bit more body for a crisper finish, but avoid very thin silk, acrylic-based, or non-drapery fabrics that won't hold enough body. If your fabric includes a large motif, plan for extra fabric. You may need to drop down a bit to capture the perfect placement, especially when you're doing placement across multiple windows. You want that to be even and the same. And for wider windows, look for a solid or overall print or a fabric that can be turned sideways for additional width. There are so many beautiful fabric choices. Select the one that gives your finished project beautiful body, balance, and shape.